that out. Just trying to burn a little spliff right now. Man's all the way in zone 5, you know, like different levels.
Baby girl, you mine, and you mine, and you mine. She mine, she mine, she mine.
Eyes low when I'm rolling up in the deep. Feet in shallow waters, but it's feeling kinda steep. A wise man told me you sow just what you reap. Ever since I'm chasing my dreams all in my sleep. Wait, finders keepers, losers reapers. But if you come across mine, it ain't for you to keep. You wanna get fly, you're scared to even leap. Leave it all to me, I'll find just what you seek. Kick down the door, it's fine for you to peek. Drink from the fountain of knowledge and you will see that definitely the earth will be inherited by the meek. You worry about your clothes and red bottoms on fleek. I'll be praying to be the first to get Kendrick album that leaks. South London survival ain't for the weak. And every other week a brother 6 feet deep. Dark skies, that's I hear a lonely mother weep. It's like I got a puzzle, can't find a missing piece. So I search for my inner peace. Demons lurking, soul searchers, as I feel the conflict underneath the surface. My brain orbits as I structure these verses. Maybe I'm here only for a greater purpose, as I plant a seed and recurse these curses. I'm putting on my service, close curtains. Yo, I'm high as shit, bro. Yo.